In today's episode, we will be staining our staircase. Watch the video until the end, and we hope you enjoy. Wait a second, I probably don't need no extra volume. I probably need to come down even more. I'm doing a test in my mind.
1, 2, 3.
I'm
Check.
doing a test in my mind. Don't try to do a test in your mind like me.
1, 2, 5.
No.
7, 8. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, the Hardly Handy Harrises.
Welcome back.
And we are back with yet another project.
Yes.
We are working on the staircase. I wonder how many guessed that was our next project if you did the poll. If you did the poll, you win.
A free shipping coupon on your next order worldwide. We're going to be using this premium wood stain in the color ebony. We're going to clean off the steps. We're going to sand. We're going to stain.
Shout out to all our subscribers.
How about that?
Thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for commenting and engaging with us. We really appreciate it.
And we do.
We're happy that you're here. So any comments that you have, please feel free to share.
Suggestions.
Ooh.
Ooh.
You know, opinions are welcome too. Everybody has one.
And we appreciate it. Let's just say that just because you may not give us a compliment, but instead you substitute or replace or interject that with constructive criticism or criticism, that's cool too. Now, depending on how far you go, we might have to reset you. Other than that,
let's get started.
let us begin. Who was this? Oh my gosh.
No, I don't want no kisses. Say hi.
Bella, can't even see your eyes. Look at them legs. Sweet Bella, baby. Sweet Bella, baby. Another hyper tough. So this is a sanding pole adapter, and then this is the 100 medium grit that we'll use. But we're gonna start sanding.
We're gonna go with the grain.
With the grain.
So the grain is moving this way, left to right, or along the length of the board. And that's how you know where the grain is. Against the grain would be opposite direction. Tell them the reason why we do this, honey.
The reason why we do what?
Sanding.
Oh, we want to get the polyurethane coating off, because if you don't sand, then the stain will not penetrate the wood. All right, for the banister, as you can see, we're going in a cone shape motion, archery motion.
Archery.
Well, arch.
That's
It's still an arch.
that's bow and arrow.
This is an arch.
Archery.
Oh, like a door arch. let me talk to the people. You all right? So you can just curve it over and just. And then what you look at me. If you hold it flat, you can get in the corner. See,
Somebody trying
y'all
to be
see that?
fancy.
Y'all see that?
I'm
you
trying
see
to
how
be thorough.
Let me
It won't slide. Mine's is used up.
let me.
No, mine's already used up. Get out of here.
Okay, let me get back to what I was teaching.
All right.
I was showing y'all.
So we can finish today.
I don't know about today. So we just finished scraping the stairs. All that you see there and down there, that's all tape. that was literally hidden under here from the previous owners that must have painted. Not here or here or here. Under this is where it was. So now we're gonna clean up again with our hyper tub. And then we're gonna do a little test area somewhere over here. We're gonna be done for the day.
That looks black.
So instead of doing a test on the staircase, we're gonna try to see what it looks like staying with just this. All right, so that's how it looks on just a wooden stir stick. I think it'll go good with the
Ooh,
let's do a real test. No, that was my idea. These are the floors that we're gonna have installed ourselves. And so we're gonna see.
oh yeah.
All right.
That does look good together, right?
I think so.
I think so.
Yeah. All right, got y'all set up. All right. Let's do this
Back part.
bad part.
That's a lot of work. Look at these edges. Ooh, I'm liking how that looks.
Oh, allow to penetrate 2 to 3 minutes.
Okay.
And then remove excess by wiping with rag in the direction of the grain. Let's remove. Oh, not that dark. Honey, they said 1 coat. So the guy at Home Depot suggested that we had oak. But if we don't have oak and it's pine, it's gonna look even different. Right, so maybe we need to let it sit longer. You wanna go over that section again?
Yeah.
All right, take 2. Hopefully we sanded it down enough. We're gonna let this sit for 10 minutes. Let us do a swipe test. So we first let it sit for 2 to 3 minutes. Then we apply the second coat, and then we let it sit for 8 minutes. And there's a difference, but it's not distinct. And we attempted to stain a step, and it was an epic fail. And let me just show you. As you can see how it is significantly darker than the original step. However, there was carpet upward bound, going up, and the sides, as you can see, are darker than the middle. What's this, the tread? Down here, you can see where the darker color, which is here, went in darker after I sanded on top of the original sand. And in here, as we go along, you see how this is significantly lighter than this. Now this was a result of, we sanded, then I was like, oh, this is coming out looking like this. So maybe we should sand more, and this is what happened. And as a result, we bought another sander. I can get no help. All right. This is the sander that we bought today from Menards. It was $18.99 because we do have an orbital sander, but you don't want to go in a circular motion. You want to go along the grain because that's what's recommended. This is the brush, Worcester. All right, this is a stain step. Super dark, right? But trust me, we're gonna need a lot of coats to go from here to here, that color, and then up here. But we're gonna get it, y'all. There it is. Y'all can see that. Definitely lighter, darker than this. So we getting somewhere. All right, we ready? So you gonna tell the people what we about to do?
Sand. How much faster that is with a versus by hand. This was
$18.
$18 from Menards, so it's really handy
And inexpensive.
and it gets the job done. It's a lot better than now. You still got to go over the edges and the corners because it doesn't kind of get the corners exactly, but at least for the main part of the stairs, I mean, I'm pretty much done.
All right. Here we go. All right, just gonna carry on. They say you should hold it, keep the stain. I don't know when you're supposed to start the 2 minutes, but no more than 2 to 3 minutes. All right. Don't look like this. Done too much. What's in there? Weeks later, and as you can see, going up, we have started the steps from the previous part 4 or 3 of this video, and today we are going to attempt to finish staining the stairs and the banister. So we have finished the top steps, as you can partially see. And now we're gonna be tackling these railings, banisters. We're not gonna do the white area and the back plate, whatever that's called, because I'm off, my husband is off. And we about to get started and we wanna go to the beach. So.
Just lightly dips, right?
Y'all see how black that is? I promise you, it's gonna look just like this brown. See, this is not as bad. Them steps.
Yeah.
Them steps took me out. Not as bad as the tile in the bathroom. Is that we don't know, we still don't know what kind of wood we have. Which, like I said in another part of the video, is that like depending on the type of wood, pine versus oak versus pressure treated versus something, no matter what color you look at, it's gonna yield a different result because of the type of wood. And the dark, rich color we thought we was gonna get, that good old melanin we got.
This thing
We got
short tan.
yeah, we got a yeah.
It's all right, but it still looks
Really good.
and it's gonna go well with our replacement floors that we're putting down too.
Yeah. Moment of truth. This is where professionals would probably suggest that you put in wood putty or wood filler so that, let me focus, so that even though you have like the little wood grains, these are like gashes, look like a bear was scratching, you know, but we're not worried about that. So I just put more up here because it's significantly lighter. And since we can't get out the stain here, this is gonna have to be rather darker. But as you can see, I touched up here to kind of let that sit a little longer. And when we go back, we won't wipe it as hard so that it could be kind of more consistent throughout. Maybe let's just start from the bottom. No, let me start from here. All right, and we are officially done. This is the before and after. Tell me them steps don't look 10 times better. Now those are some good looking steps. What y'all think? Let me know in the comment section. All right, if you guys enjoyed the video, give us a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. Smash that notification bell so you will be notified every time we upload one of these money-saving DIY home renovation projects for all ages. All right, until next time, see you guys in the next video. Later.